Over the past few years, you've probably seen a whole lot of headlines about how home prices keep going up. And if selling has been on your mind, this could mean a bigger than expected payday when you list your home on the market. Hi, I'm James Brinkman Brink with Homes by Brink at austinrealestate.com. Home prices have risen dramatically over the past 5 years nationally, but have you ever stopped to think about what that actually means for your home? Let's break it down. Typically, home prices appreciate 2 to 5% a year. But in 21 and 22, post-pandemic, things got wild. The housing market was seeing double-digit increases in home prices, and at the peak, prices rose by a staggering 20% or more nationally. What happened was there were way more buyers than homes available, and mortgage rates were at an all-time low in the 3% range. This sent prices soaring and a frenzy of buyers in the market, which is a simple case of supply and demand. While things have normalized since then, you still get to reap the benefits of rising home prices. Most likely, your house has gained way more value than it normally would in such a short period of time. And that means more wealth for you. You may be sitting on a large amount of home equity. So if you've been sitting on the fence about selling, now might be the perfect time to cash in on those gains and take advantage of the market's upswing. Your home might be worth far more than you think, and now more than ever may be a good time to take advantage of this changing market. If you would like to know more about recent sold comparables in your area and pricing, reach out to me today so I can prepare a complimentary free home valuation on your home. Let me help you strategize your next move. James Brinkman with Homes by Brink at austinrealestate.com. And in Austin, when you think real estate, think Brink. I'll see y'all soon.